Hi guys, this is Christina, and this is going to be a quick Canva demo. My mouse is in pink. I hope you're able to see it. This is being recorded on December 1st, 2024 on the free version of Canva. So if you're watching at a later time, things might look a little different, but in general, it's pretty consistently been the same over the years. So left hand at the top, create a design. So Canva can be used to create all kinds of cool things. I am going to show you how to make a video today, which is click there. Okay, so right off the bat, it's going to open up and it's going to offer us templates. So we can search here for the type of template we're looking for or use a pre-selected one, or scroll down and use a pre-selected one. I'm just going to click the first one here and go with that. Okay, so I can see the first clip here. At the bottom, it says the duration, 28 seconds for one clip. And for me, for a Mind Movie, I find that that's a little long. My movie, I made a bunch of 5-second clips. So I've changed the time at the top to 5 seconds from 28. And now I'm back at the bottom. I'm going to select the 3 dots here and hit duplicate page. So I'm going to duplicate this exact page. It's going to be the same page for each of my clips on my Mind Movie. And each of these pages is going to be a different theme of whatever I'm looking to manifest. Duplicate page. Okay, so there's a bunch to work with. So we'll start on the first page. And as you can see, this will be the first page. They've provided a really nice text box already. To select that, double click it. I'm going to change it to Mind Movie. And at the top, you're able to change all sorts of fun things. You can change the color. Let's change it to purple. Okay, so at the bottom, it's going to say offer to change all. So it will offer to change every single instance of this is going to change to purple. Yes, let's select that. Sure, why not? Color changed across all pages. So let's just, I can see that it's a little small. I want it to be a bit bigger. Let's maybe change the font a little bit to something thicker. Again, it's going to say offer to change all or just change on this page. I'll hit change all. Why not? So this is my Mind Movie. I actually don't really like that. It's super hard to show up. So I'm going to click the effects and try to select an effect that is going to make the that having a background makes it show up a little bit better for me. And we can change all sorts of things. We can have it be less transparent, more transparent, whatever. First page, Mind Movie. Perfect. Beautiful. Good start. Second page. So clicking on that. I didn't copy the effect. You know what I can do? Easy, quick thing to show you here. Click on the Mind Movie. What we want to do on the right hand, there's a little paintbrush thing. Hit copy. And then you've copied the font there. Click the next page and click the, I guess not all of the effects change over, but that's okay. This was a good thing to learn. So now I'm just changing by hitting the paintbrush, clicking on each page, clicking on each time. Very easy. I just like to have them all consistent. And I really like that you can see that on that background. It's a bit busy of a background I selected, so this works great. All right, so let's go to the second page here. So what kind of things are we going to want to visualize? So I know a lot of people who are on the online business, so they want to visualize and manifest networking. On the left-hand side here, you can select elements, and we can search all kinds of elements, all kinds of different things that you can add to your mind movie, all kinds of visions. So let's go here. Recently, I've selected office. So graphics for working in an office might be people sitting around. Well, that also represents networking. So if you want one of these things, you just click it. It shows up on your page. In this case, again, it's hard to see, but at the top, I see you're able to change the color where you can change, and it very easily can be changed to white. So now we can, it pops, it's popping. Okay, so that's where you can add things that Canva has to offer. So as you'll see, there's a little crown on some of them. Those are not ones that I'm able to access on the free account. You would have to have the paid version. But as you can see, there's lots of options for things for free as well. And if you don't like any of the things Canva has provided, on the left-hand side, you can go upload, and you can upload your own things. So I've gone ahead previously and uploaded some pictures that I found on Google under free stock photos. So I've selected a picture that to me might represent networking because it's got the globe and people all over the world, right? So first thing on my mind movie, networking. Next page. Well, what kind of theme might I want to have for my next page? And I have a really good friend. She is an amazing artist. So maybe if this was for her, she would want to have a picture of a big, beautiful art studio filled with people. Amazing art. Lots of clients. Oops. Okay, that could be the second page of our mind movie. And what other things a person might want to manifest? I know someone who's really eager to be writing. He's a screenplay writer. So what about this? Picture working on your laptop. Picture the screenplay, the end product, all kinds of things. Amazing stories, amazing work, whatever you want to manifest. Click on another page. And I know a lot of people, myself included, I want a nice home with a garden. I love gardening. Big, beautiful kitchen, whatever you want. Whatever you want on your mind movie, you can do. And you can resize things by selecting them, clicking on the purple box. You can move things around. You can layer them, all kinds of different options for positioning. Very, very fun to work with Canva. If you do something, say, oh shoot, I just did a thing and I don't like, you can actually at the top, sort of at the top left, you can go back and say, oh, I liked it better 3 things I did ago, and change it that way. You can also, I know a movie comes with audio. So on the left, if you scroll down, drag it down, you can click on audio. Click. And then this part is, I have to admit, is a little limited for the free. But there is some. I clicked happy, and so there's an upbeat rock for free and a vintage party track for free. And, there's quite a bit, but for myself, again, I uploaded my own. So back to the uploads section here on the left. And I've tabbed over to audio, and I've got a couple things that I've recorded and downloaded on my computer and uploaded, which one of them is the Price is Right theme, because I like that on my movie. It makes me feel like, I don't know, like I'm winning, like it's fun. So to put that on there, you just click it, I see that it's started itself partway through the movie. So to select it, you just grab it with your mouse and move it. Um, Pick up and drag kind of deal. And if you scroll at the bottom, you can select see each page, scroll through. This play button here is where you're going to check out your movie. So yeah, that's kind of fun. You can tweak anything. You can go back. At the top here, you can change the title, My Epic Mind Movie, or whatever. Whatever you want. Play with it. Once you're done, you can go to the top right, and clicking the share button is where you're going to be able to work with it further. You can either copy the link to show it to your friends, or copy the link to send the link to your phone or whatever, or you can download it directly by clicking the download. And if you leave it selected as the video, download it as the video, it should be saved in your folder, and then you can watch it every day and start the amazing visualization process that we're all learning about. Okay, I think that I've covered everything. I hope I've covered everything. And if you have any questions, please reach out, let me know, and I will try to help you out. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial, and I really hope you have fun making your mind movie. Bye!